people are discovering their own province. Saskatchewan's quite a diverse place, but I think they also discovered that it's a lot of fun. Ness Creek is 20 kilometers from Big River, Saskatchewan, in a mixed boreal forest. So we're right in that sort of transition zone between parkland and boreal forest. My name's Gordon Olson, and I'm the manager of the Ness Creek Music Festival site. It started out as a one weekend in 1991. As we matured as a festival, we just slowly built this infrastructure. We started developing the cross-country ski trails. We have music camps, blacksmithing and printmaking, a lot of First Nation programming. People just coming up for a weekend to go hiking. That diversity, that's a really important part of the grand vision of what we can do. One thing that Ness Creek has always been really good at, not being afraid to go outside of the box, try new things. What we're doing now with this mini festival is just trying to develop a package where we could really limit the size of the group and still feel safe. And what we found is that they were very popular. There's something really magic about people coming together to do something, and that builds community.